Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Chainlink from Tangem Wallet to Metamask in 2025. If you're looking to move your Chainlink tokens seamlessly between wallets, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the basics set up. You'll need the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device, with your Chainlink tokens already in it. Don't forget to have Metamask ready. Download it if you haven't already, and ensure it's connected to the correct network, like Ethereum mainnet, since Chainlink operates on that. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and navigate to your dashboard. Locate your Chainlink tokens. Look for the link symbol. Once you find it, select the token and choose the Send or Transfer option. This is where the magic begins. Next, in Step 2, you'll need your Metamask wallet address. Switch over to the Metamask app or extension, click on your account, and copy the address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Be extra careful not to mix it up. Now, back in Tangem, paste that Metamask address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any transaction fees. Review the details carefully. Double-check the address and amount to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 3. Hit the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. You'll see a confirmation screen. Approve it, and Tangem will broadcast the transaction to the blockchain. This might take a minute or two, depending on network congestion in 2025, so grab a coffee if you need. Once it's done, head over to Metamask and refresh your wallet. Your Chainlink tokens should appear shortly. If they don't, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip. Always use the latest versions of these apps for security updates, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, reach out to community forums or support. That's it for this guide. You've just mastered transferring Chainlink. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.